السلام عليكم، أنا سلطان محمد المعاضي
أنا عبد العزيز المهدي.
ومشروعنا الريسكيو اند سرفيلنس درون وذ بريسيشن لاندنج، والحين بنرويكم ديمو بسيط عن البروجكت 1.
The main aim in this research project is to develop a drone with autonomous flight ability to aid in rescue surveillance and civil application.
Our first goal is to develop an autopilot system that will be able to self-navigate to required locations.
The importance of this project is to rescue people who get lost in the sea or in the desert and find the location accurately.
Another application for this project is to be able to send large videos for police surveillance and border security. It is also able to identify stolen or abandoned vehicles.
The drone can be given commands from a computer using command line interface, as you can see in the video.
This demonstration is also showing the accuracy of the drone landing on the QR code. And as you can see, the drone is flying with high accuracy and precise landing.
Before testing the actual drone, we ran a simulation using Gazebo Simulator, where real parameters were used to test the accuracy of the landing algorithm.
In the simulation, image processing techniques were used to identify the special marker on the ground. And as you can see in the simulation, it is accurate to about 2 to 3 centimeters.